Boston designer and color expert Cheryl Rosenberg has come to help make choices for the daughter's room. Hey Cheryl, hey Robin.
Hi.
Aria, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So we're working on your room today?
Yeah.
All right, so you're in good hands. Cheryl, what do you got for us?
Thank you. Well, ultimately we're here to pick out a paint color, but I wanted to chat with Aria a bit about her style. Tell me more about that.
My style is a form of the bohemian style, but it's a more modern twist on it called Boho chic.
You're familiar with Boho chic?
Absolutely. Boho chic is a modern, like you said, interpretation of bohemian style. And bohemian style originated in Paris in the 1800s, really, with artists who wanted to live this freewheeling lifestyle and, you know, just be very open and unconventional. So I wanted to just give you some perspective what a classic bohemian room might have looked like. We've got lots of different colors. What do you see here?
I really like how all the textures bring the room to life, but I feel like the colors are a little more vibrant than I'm used to.
So that sounds like a polite Bono. You got any other tricks in your bag?
I can handle it.
All right.
All right. So this is what I put together for you. You can still see all of the amazing textures that are characteristic of bohemian, but things are toned down and much more sophisticated.
How do you feel about this, Aria? Does this work for you?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh.
I really like all the different tans and pinks and neutrals, how they go so well together with all like the greenery and the textures.
And so we're not just working off a board, because I'm seeing things here, so you can actually lay hands on some of these choices.
Right, because all of these things come from different cultures around the world, and you want to be able to touch them to really understand what goes into making a handcrafted piece like this.
So Aria, Mom, seeing it, touching it, does this sort of scratch your Boho itch?
Definitely.
And does it leave you in a position to start choosing a paint color?
Yeah.
Can we do that?
Let's do it.
All right.
Always nice to have samples up on the wall.
Yeah, I've got 5 different pinks up here for you to choose from. I've got this warm terracotta color, this romantic rose color, and a lavender that has a little bit of gray in it. And then we've got these 2 whites that are very warm, and then this one's got a cooler undertone.
Anything jump out at you, Aria?
I really like the gorgeous white because it adds such a happy, light kind of feel to the room, which I feel like is all about the boho chic style. And I feel like a cool thing to do would be an accent color of the dressy rose.
She's throwing a curveball, Mom. She's already mixing it up. We good with an accent wall idea?
Absolutely, I love it.
All right, well that sounds like a boho go then. We're gonna hold you to that, Aria. Thank you, Cheryl.
Great, thank you guys.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.